sick. All right, y'all. We got the 650s out today. Look at all this, man. Woo! Get that off. Clean my jacket later. Got the homie in the Whipple 650. About to head out right now. It's crazy because yesterday I actually ran out of gas in this car. Completely out of gas. I had to push it home like 3 miles. Oh my goodness. I left the house without my wallet. I thought I had my wallet because I thought there was gonna be, actually I knew there was gonna be an E85 station near where I was gonna go to get some runs. And well, after all that was done, your boy actually forgot his wallet. Simply mixed it. So that was completely chalked. Had to come back up here with a jug. There we go. Rolling on out. Hopefully we do not run into traffic. To the sport mode. And turn that advanced track off. With the wing on it. I thought that was an STI for a second because of that crazy ass wing. What are you doing, dock lady? trucks. My car, but man, that shit gonna be too loud. I'm telling you that right now. And I kind of like having the quiet exhaust. It's not an opening. There might be actually. Oh yeah. But too close.
Few moments later.
Is this a cop that's to the left of me right now? Holy shit! That straight up was a cop. Yo! If I did like a pull right there. That was straight up a cop. Oh my God. That was a straight up cop right there. I was like, hold on, something ain't right. Like, Dodge Durango, I saw like the spotlight. I was like, bro, like, is that a strike Durango? I was like, there's no way. And then I saw like the front. I was like, wait, hold on. That was a cop. Man, I can't believe that undercover cop just rolled up on us like that. I still can't believe that. That shit crazy. Damn, if he wasn't here, I would just do a pull, but I'm dead ass gonna hit it. You're like a little 70. All right, y'all. We're gonna be going ahead and getting some hard pulls in the 650. I'm tuning this thing today. Nah, I'm just playing. We're doing a little data log. We're gonna see how this car does on a little revision. You excited?
Yeah, I hope it runs, you know, a good number.
Yep. I hope so too, dog. I hope so too. The car feels a lot better. A lot better. What you think, man?
It's good. Everything shifts way smoother.
Yup.
And when it's supposed to be.
Yup. It felt a lot better.
I'm good with that revision.
I'm not gonna go ahead and share. I'm not gonna share the times in this video. If he wants to go ahead and do that, he can do that. But the DA is actually higher than what I thought it was. 2 people in the car. The car's moving out. Car's moving out. These Whipples, man, with the 650. I'ma stand on it, man. I think the Whipple, it's either you go Whipple or twin turbo right now with the S650s. Cause it just feels good and smooth, and the car's fast. You know what I'm saying? This is very, very good. I'd be happy with this. No cap.
Standing on a Whipple.
Yeah, I think the twins are cool, but it's just too much shit, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah,
it's just too much stuff.
Like the Whipple, you just put that shit on.
Yeah. This car got no headers on it too. That's the crazy part. It's literally a Whipple stage 2 and the cat delete. That's literally it. It runs pretty good. I'm very, very happy with it. I'm glad it's quick too. This is his first Mustang and first time doing something like this, so it could have been bad. He could have got a dud, but this thing is it's moving.
Shit, my trans was a my trans was a dud.
Nah, it's just one revision and fixed it all up.
No, I'm saying the fluid.
Oh yeah, they overfilled it from factory, but
yeah, that must have been done on like a Friday. And
yeah,
the hell out of work.
Yeah, it's good now. What's the temperature? Oh, I see. It's 154.
It's like 76. Right? Oh wait, what do you mean? Oh, the trans temp? 154.
Yeah, 154. It's hot now.
Which is hot, bro. It's never like, bro. It's usually like in the
120s. Yeah, but it is 80 degrees out, so compared to the 40
yeah,
when it was, but that's still good though, real good. All right, back at the casa. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Now, the transmission for the Shelby GT350, I think might be shipping out later this week. I'll keep you guys up to date on that. Got some action in the S650. Just love cruising this car. Super easy to drive, super fun to drive, sounds good, not too loud, and overall, you know, my favorite daily. I've ever had. 110%. If you guys enjoyed, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Probably go to Mexico soon again in this car to get some runs in, see what it can do. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.